Is it time to buy or sell SPY ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into SPY. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, June 13, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since May 5, 2023, our system has ranked SPY as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. During this period, the stock has outperformed our expectations, with a gain of 5.84% since we first recommended buying SPY 27 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.22% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates high volatility and risk for the following trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to determine the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The ETF has broken the narrow and weak rising the short-term trend up, and an even stronger rate of rising is indicated. For any reaction back, there will now be support on the roof on the current trend broken at $434.12, a level that may pose a second chance to hit a runner. According to fan theory, $450.45 will be the next possible trend top level and thereby pose a resistance level that may not be broken at the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential 8% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 3.34% and 7.38%. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests a 6.7% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between -8.23% and 10.75%. This translates to a price range of $400.70 to $483.60 after a year. Our latest daily update for SPY includes the headline, "Weaker technical forecast for SPY as ETF downgraded to hold/accumulate." The SPY ETF price gained 0.659% on the last trading day, Tuesday, June 13, 2023, rising from $433.80 to $436.66. It has now gained 4 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 0.621% from a day low at $434.63 to a day high of $437.33. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 3.92% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 18 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 94 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $41.25 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of ETF was $437.33, and the lowest price was $348.11. Currently, the price is 0.15%, or $0.670, below the 52-week high, and 9.03%, or $43.32, below the all-time high on January 4, 2022, when the price reached $479.98. The following signals have been identified for SPY. The SPY ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $430.17 and $417.29. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, May 24, 2023, and so far it has risen 6.2%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence (MACD). Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. The ETF had a golden star signal on Monday, March 27, 2023 in the long-term chart. Golden star signal is when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and price line meet in a special combination. This combination is very rare and often followed by long and strong gains for the ETF in question. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, by signal. Pivots, by signal 14 days ago. Bollinger, by signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, by signal 13 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 15 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, by signal 52 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average, by signal 57 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, by signal 48 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $396.11 and $391.73. There is a natural risk involved when an ETF is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the ETF then may fall to the next support level. In this case, SPY finds support just below today's level at $396.11. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $391.73 and $389.28. In general, the ETF tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity the risk is considered very low in this stock. During the last day, the ETF moved $2.70 between high and low, or 0.621%. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 0.783%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $396.11. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $416.87, minus 4.53%. This ETF has low daily movements, and this gives low risk. The RSI 14 is 80, and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 13 days ago. Is SPY ETF a good buy? SPY holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a strong buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, June 14th, we expect SPY to open down $0.453 and start trading at $436.21. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.